Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder and chief executive officer, Paytm. Digital payments are down. If transactions are down, business is down. Naturally, people are transacting less on your platforms and elsewhere. So how badly off are you?
Oh, well, to be honest about it, I think there is always a happy moment for an entrepreneur. So I'm actually happier than before because two things happen in these days. Number one, even though the offline shops did not open up, but our online payment just grew through the roof. Total month on month, if I was to say in a decline month, we had only 3% decline in number of users. So effectively, you're talking about other categories taking off so very well that it was amazing for us. And one extra feature that took off in these days is contactless ordering. Now, people are interested in placing orders or using phone for transactions, as you can call, lot more. So we basically deepen our relationship with our customer, and we built more use cases, and we got advantage of this. So I not say that I would not say that it was any business wise or user wise decline as a significant or impactful, but I would say that there is a huge amount of acknowledgement of digital payments and contactless ordering, which is
Yeah.
a big plus. Second thing I wanted to tell you in these days is that we got a lucky I would say situation where our losses, which were very high 2 years back and high last year, right now are nearly minimum. I mean, we are very happy with the net losses every month that we are making. We will be, if we are continuing at this scale, we'll be very happy because we could announce our break even much before than we had thought earlier. So, in other words, when the market goes like this, there is always a blessing out there. The tough time inspire you to do different things which are extraordinary in terms of resources or not resources. I want to share a fact that if you wanted a quick success by throwing money on the problem, maybe those days are not these days. Meaning you are not supposed to get a lot of money easily now for about a year's time period, I'd say. Now, if you really want to solve a problem creatively, lesser resources, maybe the opportunity will become even bigger for you because you in early days would solve it with much less resources. So I understand this is painful that you do not have the same amount of money as somebody else started, but there is right now everybody is in the same bucket. So you have a great opportunity. I believe that you should be doing your own true test whether you really want to do what you want to do, and if you really are into it, then go for it. Hang on to it, and then I'm sure some days later you'll find out that less money was a blessing in a later days. Everything that is an internet economy, whether getting in the queue for your food order, grocery order, shopping, or anywhere that was physically in touch, the world is going virtual. So this is an arrival of virtual, digital, mobile, whatever you want to put the world in mainstream. I believe this crisis in world will make technology led businesses, the mainstream businesses, right now they are looked at as a separate bucket called big tech or a tech business. Now, soon it won't be considered that you're a technology business, meaning you are a technology bucket. You will be part of the mainstream of every business. And I do not mean it only for the commerce or payment or financial services, or let's say in a leisure man. I would believe that the arrival of technology led businesses have become final right now. Right now I'm not watching movies. I'm more or less on office calls, Zoom calls, like we are right now, and I'm listening a lot of music behind the scenes. So I've been discovering music, I'd say.
So
So
what
it's
music
more
are you
about music
discovering?
that
Tell us
I'm.
more about it.
So I think Head Full of Dream by Coldplay is something that I simply love, the preamble and the way it plays out. And I think that is something which is my even deeper favorite than earlier it was.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate your time. Thank you.